Bullish SPEL token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market experts accept SPEL could reach $0 2025. Bearish SPEL token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. SPEL token presentation. SPEL token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Fundamentally, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up security in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OFF since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $Xsushi, and different Bend, Arch tokens as security. Abracadabra additionally offers yield-cultivating open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate SPEL token. The task was established by Daniel Sesta, who is additionally answerable for Popsicle Money in Wonderland, both on the Torrential Slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, prime supporters of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and aggregately recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Notwithstanding the eccentric name, Abracadabra's prosperity represents itself with no issue. Last year, it produced a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. Likewise, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this video is to give you a complete value forecast of SPEL token from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some incentive to its clients. Then, at that point, we will likewise investigate the authentic cost activity as well as the job of SPEL token in the biological system. Algorithmic stablecoins, for example, MIM, are given and consumed from the flowing inventory to keep their worth fixed to the $1 mark. At the point when a client stores guarantee to Abracadabra and takes out a MIM token credit, the stage mints new MIM into the stock, moved by the client's IBK ends in the security obligation position. At the point when you reimburse the MIM, the convention consumes MIM from the stock, lessening its general dissemination on the lookout. Those technicians grow and get the MIM supply, keeping it nailed to the stable $1 stake. SPEL token current cost. SPEL token is at present worth $0. SPEL has moved 0.05% as of now with an exchanging volume of $9,508,144. SPEL token is right now positioned 314 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $83,499,726 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for SPEL token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant SPEL token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. SPEL token value forecast 2023. SPEL token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The SPEL cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. SPEL is supposed to have a base worth of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2024 of every 2024. SPEL token SPEL cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the SPEL's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. SPEL might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. SPEL token value expectation 2026. In the event that SPEL token effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the the spell coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, spell will be green in 2026. The spell is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Spell token value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the spell cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, spell has a most extreme value worth of $0. Spell token value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that spell figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help spell needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Spell token value expectation 2029. While spell is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Spell token value forecast 2030. By 2030, spell token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Spell token value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme spell cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the spell token cost today? Today, spell token is exchanging at $0, an all-out market capitalization of $83,499,726. Is spell token a wise speculation? Spell token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that spell is a decent decision of venture. How high can spell token go? The typical cost of spell token might potentially reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that spell token might outperform $0. What amount will spell token be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of digital currency and spell token, a drawn-out interest in spell could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years. What amount will spell token be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into spell token today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of spell might actually ascend to $0 the following 10 years. What will the spell token cost be in 2024? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the spell token cost be in 2025? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2025. What will the spell token cost be in 2026? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2026. What will the spell token cost be in 2027? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2027. What will the spell token cost be in 2028? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2028. What will the spell token cost be in